If you are using Telegram application, in one app only you can use multiple accounts. That means if you want to use 2 accounts in same app, you can do that. In this video, we will be telling about how to use multiple Telegram accounts in single Telegram app. For this, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, if you are using Apple iPhone, down here you can see settings option. Click on settings, and above you can see edit button. Click on this edit button. When you are clicking on that, down here you can see add account option. Click on add account. If you are using Android phone, open Telegram application. When you are opening Telegram application, above you can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. When you are clicking on that, here you can see one arrow mark down. Click on this arrow mark. When you are clicking on that, here you can see add account option. Click on add account. When you are clicking on that, you will reach this page. When you are reaching this page, what you need to do is, first you need to select your country. After selecting your country, you need to enter your phone number here. After entering your phone number, if you want to sync contacts, you can turn this on, or if you don't want, you can turn this off. Anyways, after that, down here you can see continue button. Click on this continue button. When you are clicking on that, you can see a pop-up message like this. Here again you can see continue option. Click on continue. When you are clicking on that, usually you will reach another page. In that page, you need to enter one OTP. You will receive one SMS. You need to enter that OTP in that SMS there. When you are entering that OTP, you will reach a page like this if you have set 2-factor authentication. Otherwise, your account will be opened. Since 2-factor authentication is set, you need to enter your password. After entering password, down here you can see continue option. Click on continue. When you are clicking on that, your account will be opened. Now, if you want to access the other account, what you need to do is, down here you can see settings option. Click on settings. When you are clicking on that, here you can see second account. When you are clicking on that second account, you will reach that account. If you are using Android phone, what you need to do is, above you can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. When you are clicking on that, here you can see arrow mark. When you are clicking on that, here you can see every accounts. You can select whichever account you want. If you want to add more accounts, you can add more accounts also. So this way you can easily use multiple Telegram accounts in single Telegram app. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.